About how to write a Upwork proposal easily. So let's go to our Chrome browser and click on it and open it. So simply we will open a chat GPT and write a cover letter for our Upwork. Simply you can type here chat GPT and ask question. You should write a cover letter for Upwork. Here you can sign with Google. Sign in with Google and then here you should give command to OpenAI that write a cover letter for Upwork proposal. In this video I will share you live proof. So WRIT, write a very short cover letter bar for thumbnail. It is very easy method to write cover letter. Here is that cover letter for Upwork. Simply here you can copy it and paste to your Upwork proposal. That was all video about writing a cover letter. So subscribe for more video.